The product rule. The next rule of differentiation is used to find the derivative of a function which is in the form of a product of two factors, each containing x. For example, y equals x squared sine x, or y equals 2x cubed plus 3 cos x. In general, if y equals uv, where u is equal to u of x and v is equal to v of x, i.e. u and v are functions of x, then dy dx is given by the following rule called the product rule. And this rule is given on page 25 of the formulae and tables. So rule 3, the product rule. If y equals uv, or u multiplied by v, where u is equal to u of x and v is equal to v of x, then dy dx is equal to u dv dx, so u multiplied by dv dx, or the derivative of v, plus v du dx, so v multiplied by the derivative of u. For straightforward functions, many students use the product rule directly in the form of d first times second dx equals the first times the derivative of the second plus the second times the derivative of the first. But for more complicated functions, it is a good idea to write down u, v, du dx and dv dx. So this is page 25 of our formula book, and here we have the product rule. So if y is equal to u multiplied by v, then dy dx is equal to u multiplied by dv dx plus v multiplied by du dx. Example, find the derivative of y equals x squared sine x. So x squared and sine x are stuck together, and two things stuck together in maths means multiply. So we're going to use the product rule. Y is the product of x squared and sine x, both of which contain x. We will let u equal x squared and v equal sine x and use the product rule. So here we have the product rule. So y is equal to x squared sine x, so the x squared will be our u, and the sine x will be our v. So we're going to use the formula dy dx equals u times dv dx plus v times du dx. So if u is equal to x squared, then du dx is equal to 2x. And if v is equal to sine x, then dv dx is equal to cos x. So now we have everything we need to substitute into our formula. So we swap the u for x squared with brackets. We swap dv dx for cos x with brackets. Bring down the plus. We swap the v for sine x with brackets. And we swap du dx for 2x with brackets. So x squared times cos x is x squared cos x, and sine x times 2x is 2x sine x. So the derivative of x squared sine x is x squared cos x plus 2x sine x.